Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to mute notification from someone on TikTok. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you want to mute someone on TikTok, maybe because for some reason you don't want to get disturbed by them or something, and you want to mute notification from them. How to do it? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can tap on your inbox or your DM here. You can choose your friends or contact that you want to mute. For the example, I will choose this one. You can tap on the up right corner, the three dots over here. You'll see there is an option mute notification. You can tap on that. So now, when this account sends you message, you won't get notified. You can also do like this. You can tap and hold on the account that you want to mute, and you can tap on mute. So TikTok won't give you notification when this account send you message to your TikTok. Will not get disturbed by them. So that is how to mute notification on TikTok from someone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.